Hello students, in this lecture video, let us concentrate on corrective measures for kyphosis. So in the last lecture video, please refer to the different types of disorders, the different deformities which are there in the backbone. So we will discuss today what are the corrective measures for kyphosis. So where the curvature of the spine is curved, what corrective measures can be taken? Lying on the back, okay, like this with some support here, or you raise your arms and legs and bend back. So this will help you to relax the back curvature and it will help to strengthen it. Then another corrective measure for lordosis is that you try to have these lunge forward with the help of this ball, okay, or at the back, bend the knees back like this. So this will also help you to correct those disorders. Then corrective measures for scoliosis, again a rotatory curvature. If that is not proper, what can be done? Here the person can lie down in prone position, means on the chest. Right arm should be upward, left arm at the side like this. Or just stand erect like this with two arms apart and just try to press any type of rod if you are having in hand. Or you can have this C curve. You can make this curves and do this exercise. Next is to correct the knock knees. You can sit in this posture or you can lie back on the mat and raise the lower part up and down. Inhale and exhale. Next, in cross leg position, you can sit, and at the back, you can try to hold these two arms. It will help to enhance the posture. Next, in case of corrective measures for bow legs, Garudasana and Ardha Matsyendrasana Asana can be done, wherein you can see that how these toes are bent over here to correct the bow legs. Then taking into consideration round shoulders, that is a postural deformity. So these exercises, bending at the back, can help a great deal because this will help to maintain the structure of your shoulders in a proper way. Next is corrective measure of flat foot. It can be skipping the rope or moving up and down, sitting on this posture. Next is sports participation of women in India. Now, ancient Olympics, if we see, then the sports participation of women was not much. But during nowadays, we can see that the sports participation is very much, and many sports women are in the limelight, like Sania Nehwal, Hima Das recently, PV Sandhu, Mary Kom. So many of the women are taking the lot of inspiration from these sports women. Now, what were the reasons for less participation of women in sports? One is lack of legislation, means opportunities were not there, fundings were not there. Lack of time, as majority of the women have to look at the household responsibilities. Lack of self-confidence, when women tend to have less self-confidence in comparison to men. Then male-dominated culture of sports, because we can see that it is a male-dominated society, and if a woman wants to do something, these mainly the women are demotivated rather than having cooperation and motivation. This is basically because of this culture. Then lack of interest of spectators and no coverage of women's sport. So because nobody would cover for sports of women, so that is why. Next is lack of female sports person as role model, but nowadays this thing is changing. Like Sania Mirza, Mary Kom, PV Sandhu, and many more are the role models in sports. Then lack of fitness and wellness movements. So due to lack of fitness also, sometimes the alertness about health is not there. Then lack of awareness among women, because women are not aware about the different misconceptions which are there in our society. Then less number of women coaches, that also demotivates the women sports person. Attitude of society towards women's participation in sports, again the societies generally demotivate them. Lack of personal safety, again they have to be very considerate about their safety in public. And lastly, lack of proper access to facilities. So these factors were in the past. But now if we talk about present, many of the facilities are being provided to the female sports person also. And we can see that they are reaching new heights.